Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Friendship is love without pressure. Friends are love that never fades. Love begins with a loyal friend. A true friend is love in action. Friendship is love's soft landing. Friends love you as you are. In friendship, love feels safe. Friendship is the first form of love. Friends hug with their hearts. True friends are love's gift. Love speaks in friendship's silence. A friend's love is pure magic. Real love feels like friendship. Friends love louder than words. Friendship is love with laughter. A friend is love made visible. Love holds hands in friendship. Friendship is a warm kind of love. Friends love you for being you. Friendship is love's gentle voice. A friend is love made visible. Love holds hands in friendship. Friendship is a warm kind of love. Friends love you for being you. Friendship is love's gentle voice. Love grows roots in friendship. True friends never stop loving. Friendship is love's reflection. Friends are your heart's echo. Friendship is patient love. Friends stay. That's love. Friendship, where love begins. Real love is built on friendship. Love holds on through friendship. A friend is a forever kind of love. Love is being seen by a friend. A friend's love never judges. Friends love without conditions. In a friend, love is home. Friends are soul love. Friendship is love that listens. Friends love without needing reasons. Love survives in friendship. Friendship is steady love. A loving friend is a blessing. Friendship is the root of love. In friends, love is fearless. Friends are love in all weather. A friend's love stays strong. A friend's love warms the soul. Love starts with "I'm here."